Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Lady Like May. I am super excited to do this video because, well, as you can already tell from the title of this video, I am going to share with you my thoughts about this particular bag. This is the bag. My baby. My baby. Bag lang na ni, baby dayo. Actually heavy. I'm gonna put it down first, and there's a plane. Come on. Mata na akong anak. Papakunaw man. Okay, before I talk about that bag, let me quickly share to you the story of, how did I end up with this bag. I didn't actually purchase it myself. It was a gift from my husband for our 7th year anniversary, wedding anniversary. For the longest time, I've always wanted to have that classic, speedy bag. It's probably one of the most coveted bag. It's also an iconic bag from Louis Vuitton, so everyone seems to have it, and I also want it. But then again, every time I save up, I end up getting something else, like a new camera or going on a road trip. Those are my thing. Don't get me wrong, I still love this bag, but I really can't save up and use my money to buy a bag. Anyway, here comes our 7th wedding anniversary. I was preparing, I was putting my makeup on, because what I know is we will go out to eat and have an early dinner with our baby. When we got to the place, there's a lot of stores in there, and I saw a Louis Vuitton store. I was super surprised that he stopped and he parked the car. Oh, well, our shop. He parked it, and I was like, okay. I was just looking around. I wasn't really expecting anything. Maybe the restaurant is just around the corner, or it's the only parking space that he found, so yeah, we're there. I was surprised when he started walking towards Louis Vuitton store, and I was like, what are we doing here? He said, get yourself a Louis Vuitton bag. And he told me, I'm not going to wait anymore for you to buy yourself a bag. I'm just gonna give it to you as a gift. I was super shocked, and that's super sweet of him. I was surprised that he was paying attention to my wants. I know it is not necessary, he doesn't have to do it, but he did. To make the long story short, I didn't got the one that I was, dreaming or planning of having. I got the Neonoe bag instead. When we came into the store, the Néonoé bag on this shelf was just screaming my name, and I automatically decided that I want the Néonoé bag than the speedy one. So this is the bag with, let me just position myself here. This is my first Louis Vuitton bag, and it's super heavy. I am keeping this, and also the ribbon, basically everything. Let's rip this open. Here we have the card. I have here the name of my expert client advisor. If I need anything like fixing, I'll call her. So I got this. I kept the receipt. I love the quality of their box. So this is the dust bag to protect the bag. There you go. Here is the up close of my beautiful Neonoe Coquelicot Louis Vuitton bag with monogram canvas. From their website, it says that this bag is designed in 1932 to transport bottles of champagne. The Noe returns for Spring 17 as the Neonoe. An on-trend bucket bag is supple monogram canvas with colorful calf leather accents and an adjustable strap that lengthens for a modern crossbody bag. This bag has drawstring closure, gold color metal hardware which really looks phenomenal, adjustable long strap with press studs. Here I am just turning the bag around so that you can see what the back looks like. I truly adore the look of this whole thing, the combination of the gold color metal hardware plus the pop of color on this monogram canvas. Here is an up close of the gold color metal hardware. It also has obviously that colorful bonded microfiber lining and also an inside zip pocket, which I will show you later. The stitching on this bag is like any other Louis Vuitton handbags. It is immaculate. The microfiber lining inside matches the accent color of my bag, which I love. It looks super luxe. I love it so much. Let's move on to the strap of this bag. Yes, it is adjustable. The shortest strap drops around 32 centimeters. For my height, I am comfortable wearing this shoulder bag. However, when I try to adjust the bag fully to be worn as a crossbody bag, it drops at around 56 centimeters, and this is what makes the adjustment tricky for me because the bag just really looks odd on me. It hangs super low for my body type. Okay, let me just stand up so that you can see. One thing that I like about what's inside is it's not boring. It has that pop of color and also the monogram right here. See it there. Get this out of the way. This is what the bag looks like inside. I am not really a big fan of those, what do you call that, bucket bags, but this one, I like that it's not like crunched up. I like the way it folds. I can carry the bag as a shoulder bag, or I can also adjust it. Just do that and then adjust the strap. However, like this, it has a long strap, but I'm too short for this. If I let the bag hang like that, it's gonna look super odd on me because it's just too long for my height. I'm gonna have to make some adjustments or do something about the straps later. I think I have an idea how to adjust it without spending anything. I'm gonna do something about the strap because I really want to carry this bag as a crossbody bag. Even though I want to get this bag, I sat down and watched videos and reviews of this bag. While I'm on YouTube, I found a particular video discussing about the issue about the strap for this particular bag. Some of the bags has a strap that has stitching on it, while some people got what it looks like a a glued or bonded type of strap. This one has the stitching. I asked my ECA about the issue and she told me, well, she confirmed that all of the straps of Neonoe that's in the market today are already like this. They are stitched. I forgot to show you the bottom part of the bag. It looks like this. It doesn't have those, what you call that, feet to protect the bottom part of your bag, but it doesn't really bother me. This is by far maybe the only negative thing about this bag. I mean, for me. This one, as you can see, it doesn't line up. Other than that, I love this bag, the color of it. When I was at the store, the available colors, they have different names in the store. They have fancier, more difficult to pronounce names. I was actually debating on getting the red one or the light pink. The light pink is also beautiful. They also have it in blue, in mustard yellow, and what else? Hot pink, neon pink. I asked my husband which looks better, the red one or the light pink one, and he also picked the red one. And I agree with him. This pop of color right here, specifically red, is just my thing. It's not super loud for me. I can use this every day. I am planning to use this every day no matter where I go. The size of this bag, if I haven't mentioned it, I don't know if I already did, but it is perfect for my size. It's not too big, it's not too small. This can hold everything that I need. In a few months from now, I am going to come back here and update you guys on what I think about this bag. I think that's everything I can say about the bag for now. Again, I will come back in a few months to update you on my final thoughts about this bag, the Neonoe bag. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye guys!